It can be quite a hassle to carry wet, bulky towels back from a camping trip. And when you are out on an adventure trip, it is not practical to wait for the thick towels to dry before packing them. There are many products available to choose camping towels, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best camping towels from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Rainleaf Microfiber Towel Perfect Travel and Sports and Beach Towel. The microfiber towel from Rainleaf is a perfect fit for any outdoor activity, such as camping, backpacking, gymming, swimming, yoga, and beach hopping. It is available in multiple colors and sizes, including 12 by 24 in, 16 by 32 in, 20 by 40 in, 24 by 48 in, 30 by 60 in, and 40 by 72 in. The super soft towel can absorb 5 times more water than its weight and dries incredibly fast. It is treated with Silvadur antimicrobial technology to keep it odor-free for a long time, and comes in a mesh carry bag with a convenient hand snap loop. Number 2. JML Microfiber Bath Towel. JML's microfiber bath towel comes in a pack of 2 and measures 30 x 60 inches. The large and multipurpose towel is suitable for outdoor camping, sports, yoga, travel holidays, or a beach bath. The towel is fast-drying and can absorb 7 times more water than its weight. Further, it can be washed and reused multiple times. Made of the finest materials with a thread count of 400 GSM, it is luxuriously soft. Number 3. Euphoria Microfiber Travel Towel Fast Drying Lightweight. If you are planning a camping trip, you can consider buying this towel from Euphoria. It is available in different colors and 3 sizes of 20 by 40 in, 28 by 56 in, and 32 by 72 in. The towel can hold up to 5 times water than its weight and can be used for multiple purposes such as camping, bathing, workouts, and sunbathing on the beaches. You can even roll your wet clothes up in this towel to absorb the water from the clothes. The bag has a sewn and hanging loop, which adds to the convenience when storing and drying. Number 4. BAGAIL Microfiber Towel Perfect Sports and Travel and Beach Towel. This premium microfiber towel by BAGAIL Basics can be used for various purposes. It is suitable for sports, travel, beach, gym, swimming, camping, and backpacking. Made of eco-friendly and high-quality suede microfiber, it dries quickly and is super absorbent. This microfiber towel can hold water up to 4 times its weight and dry 10 times faster than regular cotton towels. Also, you will find this towel ultra soft, ultra compact, and durable. Number 5. Wise Owl Outfitters Beach Towel and Yoga Towel. Wise Owl Outfitters Beach Towel will keep you fresh and clean while heading to the gym, yoga class, camping, or a beach trip. It is available in 2 and 4 packs and is perfect for workouts. This quick-dry beach towel absorbs up to 7 times its weight, wicking away water and sand and instantly leaving you dry and warm. The extra long towel can also be placed on your yoga mat for additional support. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.